However, for smaller homes or apartments, this vacuum is an excellent choice, offering a convenient and efficient cleaning solution. Overall, the generic cordless vacuum is a reliable and affordable option for those seeking a robotic cleaning companion. With its combination of suction, cleaning, and mopping capabilities, it provides a thorough clean while remaining easy to use and maintain. If you're looking for a hassle-free cleaning experience, this vacuum is definitely worth considering.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.